If you've ever spent time customizing shapes, text, or objects in PowerPoint, and then wished you could instantly apply the same design to other elements, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to copy and paste formatting in PowerPoint, step by step. First, select the object whose formatting you want to copy. This could be text, a shape, or even an image with special effects applied. Once it's highlighted, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus C if you're on a Mac. Think of this as copying the style of the object rather than the content. Next, click on the object you'd like to apply that same design to. With it selected, press Ctrl plus Shift plus V on Windows or Command plus Shift plus V on a Mac. Instantly, the formatting from your first object will transfer over, matching fonts, colors, borders, and effects in one go. This method is much quicker than manually recreating styles and is especially useful when working with multiple slides or when you need consistent branding across your presentation. So the next time you design a slide, remember Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy formatting and Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste it. Simple, powerful, and a huge time saver. And that's it. Now you know the fastest way to copy and paste design formatting in PowerPoint for 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out in your next presentation and see how much time you save. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.